what you're going to get if you join the stamp club, you are going to get a 4x6 stamp set that includes all of these stamps. They're made in the United States, high quality photopolymer. Die Hard Club gets the same stamps as the stamp club and the dies that match. Now, I don't know if you were here. What's the name? I can't see the name. Carol. I don't know if you got to see the original sample that I was talking about, how we give you the inside die and the shadow. There are 8 dies here. I know it looks like 4.
13 stamps too.
Okay.
13 stamps.
I know it looks like 4, but it's really 18. What do I mean? Let's go to 3. So what do I mean? So with the kitty, for example, let's use the kitty. If you use the outside die, you're going to get that shadow all the way around the kitty. Love that. That's my favorite. Here's another one. Love that. But if you use the inside die, you're going to get the kitty cat to look like this with no shadow around her. So you get to do it both ways. Now, if you do it this way, you obviously get both. Now, Die Hard Club is going to get both of those. You are going to get the stamps from the stamp club and the dies that match, right, in the same shipment.